Hello everyone, welcome to Love Max. Today we are going to see the topic ninth standard operation on rational numbers exercise 1.5. Okay, in this first main you want to tell which is rational number, which is irrational number. We are clearly knowing inside the root it is the irrational number. If except it is the perfect square number, except it is the perfect square number. Okay, first you have to see 2 minus root 5. Addition or subtraction, anything we have to do in the irrational, the total also irrational only. Okay, next is 3 plus root 3 minus root 3. Plus root 3 minus root 3 cancel. What is the remaining? Only 3. So 3 is rational or irrational? It is rational. Next, this also by root 7 by root 7 is cancel. Only 2. 2 is rational or irrational? It is rational. Okay. Next, 1 by root 2. Root 2 is there. So it is irrational. We can't cancel also. So it is irrational. Next, 2 pi. I already told you pi value is irrational. So the totally 2 into irrational also irrational. Okay. This is the first main, which is the, if it is cancel like this, you can cancel. What is the remaining only you have to tell us it is rational or irrational. Next we are going to see the simplification. Okay, it is the second main. The first question is 3 plus root 3 into 2 plus root 2. What we are going to do? Take the first number, multiply this 2. Take the second number, multiply this 2. 3 into them. 3 2s are 6. Plus 3 into root 2, 3 root 2. That's all. Next, root 3 into 2 also 2 root 3 plus root 3 into root 2. Root 3 into root 2. So 6 plus 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3. Root 3 into root 2 is root 6. Okay. So root A into B, root B is root AB. We can tell that. So root 6. This will be the final answer. That's all. Okay. Next, 3 plus root 3. Next question is 3 plus root 3 and 3 minus root 3. It is looking like A plus B into A minus B. A plus B into A minus B. What we are going to do? A square minus B square. In A plus what is there? 3. 3 square minus B plus root 3 the whole square. So 3 squared is 9 minus root 10 square is cancel. Okay, root 3 square is meaning is what? Root 3 into root 3. So root 3 into root 3 means 3 only. So 3. So 9 minus 3 is 6. This is the final answer. Okay, so the next sum. Five plus root 2 whole square. So you have going to apply A plus B whole square formula. So A square plus 2AB plus B square. Okay, in A place what is there? 5. 5 square plus 2 into 5 into B is what? Root 2 plus root 2 the whole square. 5 squared is how much? 25. 2 5s are 10 root 2 plus root 2 whole square means root and square is cancelled, only 2. So 25 plus 2 is 27 plus 10 root 2. This is the final answer. Okay. This formula is common for all. Maybe the number is root number or normal number or fraction, decimal, whatever may be. You are going to substitute. You want to know about root 2 whole square means this meaning is root 2 into root 2. Okay. So root 2 into root 2 means root 2 2s are 4. Root 4 is 2. Okay. These and all we are knowing. So that's why directly root and square are cancelled. Remaining is the answer. Okay. Next. Next, the same exercise. Rationalize the denominator of the following. How to rationalize? Okay, for example 1 by root 7. Rationalize means denominator never comes irrational number. Denominator never comes irrational number. So what you have to do means you should multiply the same number. You should multiply. If 1 by root 7 means by root I want to cancel. Okay, by root I want to cancel. Means what shall I do? The same number I want to multiply both numerator and denominator. Now 1 into root 7 is root 7. Root 7 into root 7 only 7. Okay, root 7 into root 7, the meaning is root of 49, root of 49 is 7. Rationalize the denominator, means denominator never, rational number wants to be there. Okay, it's not comes a root. Okay, this is the rationalize. Next again on sum, root 7 minus root 6. So like the two numbers are there, means what shall I do? You have to multiply this conjugate pair. What is mean by conjugate? Means center you should change the sign. Root 7 minus root 6 conjugate pair is root 7 plus root 6. Okay, then only I can apply a plus b into a minus b formula. A square minus b square, both squaring means both root are cancelled, then only root 7 minus root 6. In case root 7 plus root 6 means here you are going to multiply root 7 minus root 6. You want to apply a plus b into a minus b whole square formula. Okay, so let us solve that. Root 7 minus root 6. Conjugate pair means change the sign. Root 7 plus root 6. What are the number you should multiply in the denominator? Same thing you have to apply in the numerator also. 1 into this one, the same thing. Now this is a minus b into a plus b. What is the formula? A square minus b square. So this one we can't simplify. Keep like that. Divided by root and square cancel 7 minus root square cancel 6. So root 7 plus root 6. 7 minus 6 is 1, not necessary to write. So answer is root 7 plus root 6. Okay. So next. 1 by root 7 minus 2. This also you have to write the conjugate pair. So 1 divided by root 7 minus 2 means root 7 plus 2. This is root 7 plus 2 means up numerator also root 7 plus 2. 1 into thing, the same thing come. Root 7 plus 2 divided by this is a minus b into a plus b. What is the formula? A square minus b square. So root 7 the whole square minus 2 square. So root 7 plus 2. Here root and square is cancelled. 7 minus 2 squared is 4. That is equal to root 7 plus 2 divided by 3. This is the final answer. Okay.